Congratulations! You're about to embark on one of the best experiences of your life. The Salkantay Trek to Machu Picchu is an incredible route, and if you want to make the most of it, you'll need to have everything prepared. I am Alba from Salkantay Trekking, and this is our packing list for the trail. Essential items. Let's start with the essentials, like your passport or ID, your wallet, and cash for any additional purchases. Backpack and organization. You'll need a medium-sized trekking backpack, about 15 to 25 liters, to carry the most essential items with you. A backpack cover will also be very helpful. We'll also provide you with a duffel bag to store your belongings up to 7 kilograms. We will carry it for you, and it will be returned at the end of each day. Essential clothing and footwear. The weather on the Salkantay Trek is highly unpredictable, so you must dress with different layers. Start with breathable and moisture-wicking base layers, made of synthetic materials. Avoid cotton, as it retains a lot of humidity. The second layer should be a fleece jacket or another lightweight yet warm garment. Then, add a waterproof jacket or poncho to protect you against the wind and rain. Finally, bring a thick coat or jacket for the cold. Wear this at the camp or during breaks, as hiking in heavy clothing will make you sweat and feel damp. Choose zippered clothes for an easy removal and adjustment. For cold weather, bring gloves and a wool hat or a bandana to cover your face and neck. For your lower half, you'll need durable and waterproof trekking pants. While leggings are stretchy and comfortable, they don't offer protection from scraps or scratches. You can also pack shorts or lightweight pants for the jungle areas where it's warmer. In this tropical environment, wearing a cap or a hat is advisable to protect yourself from excessive sun exposure. The most important item for hiking: waterproof trekking shoes with good traction. Make sure they're not brand new and that your feet are already adapted to them to avoid discomfort on the trail. Use trekking socks that are breathable, thick, and long to prevent friction and blisters. For camp and rest time, bring sandals and comfortable clothes or pajamas for sleeping. Accessories. On the Salkantay Trek, there are some accessories that will be very useful. A sleeping bag rated for 0 degrees. If you don't have one, you can rent it from us. Trekking poles, which help significantly during the hike, especially as an extra support on descents. These can also be rented with us. A flashlight, preferably a headlamp for nighttime. A water bottle or hydration bladder. Sunscreen and lip balm with high sun protection. Sunglasses with UV protection. Insect repellent, essential in the jungle area. Personal items. Don't forget your personal items. A lightweight foldable towel. Microfiber towels are ideal as they dry quickly. A swimsuit for the thermal baths in Cocalmayo or Aguascalientes. Personal toiletries. Deodorant, body soap, toothbrush and toothpaste. Always carry toilet paper, wet wipes and hand sanitizer. A small first aid kit with bandages, blister pads and personal medications. An extra bag for dirty clothes. Electronics. You will want to capture the stunning landscapes, so make sure to bring your cell phone and your charger, as well as extra batteries. Bring a camera or your mobile phone, your charger and extra batteries or a power bank. Lastly, waterproof bags to protect your electronics. How to organize your backpack. Don't worry, it may seem like a lot, but organization is key. Pack the useful items at the top, such as your rain poncho, emergency kit, and toilet paper. Use the top pocket for things you'll need the most, like sunscreen, insect repellent, or flashlight, and place bulkier items, such as your water bottle or trekking poles, in the side pockets. That's it! With this packing list, you'll be more than ready to conquer the Salkantay Trek. Leave your questions in the comments and subscribe for more travel tips. See you at the top!